गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। फॉर क्लास 7th आपका सेकंड चैप्टर था न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स। उसका टॉपिक हमने स्टार्ट कर रखा था ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम्स। जो 5 उसके पार्ट्स दिए हुए हैं, 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रखा है। फर्स्ट है इन द माउथ, सेकंड है ओसोफेज जो हम डिस्कस कर चुके थे। नेक्स्ट है इन द स्टोमच। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस। The stomach is a thick-walled bag present on the left side of the abdomen. It is the widest part of the alimentary canals. The inner lining of stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acids, and digestive juices. The partially digested food then goes from the stomach into the small intestine. Next है in the small intestine. The small intestine is a very long tube. It is about 7.5 meter long. It is quite narrow tube. The small intestine in human beings is the site of complete digestion of food. The small intestine is also the main region for the absorption of digested food. इसको 2 पार्ट्स में हमने डिवाइड कर रखा है, complete digestion of food in small intestine and absorption of digested food in small intestines. तो फर्स्ट है complete digestion of food in small intestine. The partially digested food from stomach comes into small intestines. Liver secrete a liquid called bile. The walls of small intestine secrete a digestive juice called intestinal juice. Next है absorption of digested food in small intestine. The digested food can now pass into the blood vessels in the walls of the small intestine. This process is called absorption. This process is called absorption. The small intestine is specially adapted for absorbing the digested food. जो inner surface है of the small intestines has millions of tiny fingers like outgrowths called villi. यानी कि हम इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं, villi. Singular of villi is villus. The role of villi in the small intestine is to increase the surface area. किसको increase करता है ये? Surface area for the rapid absorption of digested food. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed pass from the small intestine into large intestine. नेक्स्ट है आपका इन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इज अबाउट 1.5 मीटर लॉन्ग. कितना है? 1.5 मीटर लॉन्ग. और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की क्या थी? 7.5 मीटर. तो इट इज कॉल्ड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन बिकॉज इट इज ए क्वाइट वाइड ट्यूब. The large intestines absorbs most of the water from the undigested food materials. Next आपका टॉपिक है teeth. The first part of the breakdown of food is done by the teeth. First part कौन सा है? Teeth. We chew the food with the teeth and break into small pieces. 4 types के teeth हैं in our mouth. incisors, canines, premolars and molars. जो upper part of a tooth is called crown, middle part of tooth is called neck and lower part of tooth is called root. So we will discuss one by one. Incisors. Incisors are the chisel-shaped teeth at the front of the mouth. The incisors are for biting and cutting the food. There are 4 incisors in the center of each jaw. Next है canines. Canines are the large pointed teeth just behind the incisors. The canines are for piercing and tearing the food. There are 2 canines in each jaw. Premolars. Premolars are the large teeth just behind the canines on each sides. Premolars have large flat surface. Premolars are for chewing and grinding the food. There are 4 premolars in a jaw, 2 on each side. Molars. Molars are very large teeth which are present just behind premolars. Molars have a large surface area than premolars. Molars are for chewing and grinding the foods. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे मिल्क टीथ एंड परमानेंट टीथ के बारे में. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.